up, my 4C gang? Welcome to another episode with your boy. Spending time cussing and content. 4C gang for life, baby. What? Don't judge me, judge your damn self. Okay, no, I'm just saying they left us standing here. She went over and said, I ain't gonna go back and forth with her. Ain't nobody went back and forth with her. She needed to be more worried about them fucking braids. Cause they are off. I would have never come to work looking like that. I love my gay folk, but they got added these young ones. I'm gay too, but these young ones ain't shit. Disrespectful. You tell me, how old are you? Nigga, I've been out longer than you been born. Motherfuckers. Did you wash your food so they didn't put shit in it? Motherfuckers. You know they had an attitude, Andrew.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he can't answer. I know the queens.
Yeah, if he did, he had an attitude because
He came up, but he came up with the same attitude she had. I'm gonna walk over to Wendy's, okay? Fuck. Huh? What? He came with the same attitude that she. My sister like, no.
I'm gonna be the person close to you.
Right. And look, I wanted some chicken so bad. But she walked over there and said, I'm not gonna go back and forth with them. We already waited.
Yeah.
And he came up with the same
They
attitude.
don't have no respect, period.
Thank you. He told me, how old are you? I got a son older than you.
Right. And then I looked at her and I said, I got a daughter that's older than you, you know. But
My sister, look.
It shouldn't even went that far.
That's what I kept saying. Why are you going back and forth with a customer?
You shouldn't even went that far, but that's what they do now. They challenge you.
And look, I shouldn't have went off that bad, but I just lost my mama. My mind is in the place.
My prayers go to you and your family.
Thank you. That's my big sister there, so.
She's a beautiful soul.
She was more better than I was.
But she's a beautiful soul. But you know, sometimes we gotta hold on. Sometimes, you know what, the tongue cuts like a knife. You know, like a knife. And we have to really pay attention to what we say and what we do, because now these days, these young kids, they don't have respect like we have respect for each other. Because we didn't grow up with the era of respect.
Can I have a piece of your chicken? No, I'm messing with you, though. I'm messing with you. Angela.
I believe in sharing.
Angela, I was playing with her. Oh my God. Angela, I was playing with her. I said, can I have a piece of your chicken? I was playing with her and said, can I have a piece of your chicken? She was like, yes. What?
Come on.
And they didn't know what money they was going to make. Thank you, though. Thank you.
You are also
What's your name?
My name's Coco.
My name is Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you,
I'm a comedian. I really am. I've done play. So that tends to take over me sometimes.
But you know, it's okay, because you are speaking you're speaking the truth, because they don't have
respect. I was spending $20 more.
They don't have respect for actually our age.
I was really playing about the chicken though.
No, I'm going to give you a piece of chicken, because you know what, sometimes we have to, you know, God said bless others along the way.
You see how young these kids is though. He talking about how old
I'm going to bless you along the way, because you know what, sometimes we got to be blessing each other, you know what I'm saying?
Can I get a thigh?
Get whatever you want.
Thank you, baby.
It's all in
thank
your
you
hands.
so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.
And
and how old are you?
I am 55.
See, I'm 54. She just turned 59.
Let me tell you something. We all got to learn how to understand and be on each other's page. You know what I'm saying?
I want some chicken. You see I walked out of here?
I know.
Thank you so much.
You know when God is good.
Yes, he is. Okay, it's about to rain. Okay, you have a blessed day. You want a piece of chicken? Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. That's 2 pieces. That was 2 pieces. want me to hold it for you? Come on,
And we
somebody.
have to learn how to share. We have to learn how to get along with each other. We all got to be in this. We all in the pot together. We know the pot.
Right.
We always got to be
All
with each other.
right. I need this chicken. Thank you. I need this chicken now. You hear me? I still wanted a burger though.
At that time,
But
hold me shoulder.
yeah. Oh, you want to ride home and you gonna come and sit in my place? You hear me? So you don't have to ride home in the rain. Oh my God. Oh.
I planted these